Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm in the garden photographing some birds. The bird activity in the garden has tripled over the past few weeks. I'd say it's because we're coming into spring, and also there's a few different types of birds coming in as well, so I might get some opportunities to photograph some birds I've never photographed before. So I'm using, for perches, the farmers have been doing a lot of hedge trimming, so there's a lot of debris on the road, so I picked up some nice perches. Picked up like a mossy stick, and also kind of like a big broken bit off a tree that has a few different perches on it, a few different places for the birds to land. And I'm using my cabin again as a kind of shelter from the elements, and also a bit of a hide as well, instead of me just standing in the open in the garden. So I'm going to spend a few hours this morning, see kind of how many different types of birds I can get, see can I get some footage and some images, and just relax and take some photos of some birds. So hope you guys enjoy. So I've been here now about an hour, and I've had to actually write down in my notes the amount of different types of birds that have come into the garden. Even now the bird feeders are full of goldfinches and it's all different types of birds there. But so far I've had the sparrows, there's been starlings, there's been coal tits, there's been chaffinches, blue tits, grey tits, there's been goldfinches, and the garden robin has been up as well, and also greenfinches as well. So there's been a male and a female greenfinch, and I never get greenfinches in the garden, so I'm absolutely thrilled with that. I've got some really nice photos that I'm happy with as well. So it's only been an hour, so I'll probably give it another hour and see what comes in. There's a small bird in the shrubs and the bushes just at the back that's stalking in. There's a few of them, and I don't know what they are. I'm gonna wait now and just see what comes in. But the activity is unbelievable. So, redpolls have come into the garden. 5 or 6 of them. I've never even seen a redpoll before in real life, like only ever online on Instagram. They haven't come up, they're on the ground eating the seeds that fall on the ground. So So, what a day in the garden, huh? Best session I've ever had in the garden today. So many different types of birds come in. Also 2 newcomers, the greenfinch and the redpoll. Male and female of both as well, so absolutely thrilled. I've never seen a redpoll before, only online of other people posting, but I'm thrilled I got them in the garden and on the feeders as well, and up on the perches. Absolutely thrilled. And there's it. And there's the yellow hammer now. And I've just put everything away. It's gone too dark anyway. But yeah, absolutely thrilled with today. And I was trying out my new tripod. Got a Slick, what was it, a Slick Pro 700DX. It is built like a brick. And the head is lovely and smooth on it as well. So my old one was getting stuck together with insulated tape and everything. So this is going to be my new baby. But thanks for watching, guys, anyway, and I will see you on the next one, and all the images will be over on the Instagram, so go have a look, and thanks for watching.